welcome to Growing Guitar. Shania Twain released a cool song, a dirty song about Dirty Rosie recently. Let's go into that song, and if you want to support me, you know maybe how to do that. I have a new channel, okay? It's called Growing Guitar 6 streams ago. Link up here. Go and subscribe to that channel. That is the best thing you can do for me, guys. I appreciate that. Now let's focus on Rosie here. So, no need for any capo. Only 3 chord, guys. Very easy peasy. Let's start with the chords and learn them. So we're gonna start with C first. It goes 3rd A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, and open E. We have F as well, which is a bar chord. So place any finger on the 1st fret, push down all strings there. Then you need to add 3rd A, 3rd D, and 2nd G. And then we have G. That goes 3rd E, 2nd A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. And okay, guys, I lied. We have one more left for the bridge part. Only for the bridge part later on, it's A minor. So A minor goes open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. Now, let's go into the stringing pattern. Learn it with the C. So it's a big one. It goes like this. So the first half goes down, 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 up. And then you continue with up, down, 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 up. And that's it. So down, 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 up, down, 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 up. Again. Very common strumming pattern. Now you know that. Let's go into the first verse. You're gonna play C 2 string rounds, F 2 string rounds, and back to C 2 string rounds, and that's it. Then you go to the first pre-chorus, and you're gonna play G1, F1, and C2. That's it. So let's start with that. So C2. And F2. C2. Now into the pre-chorus, G1, F1, and C2. And at this point, you're gonna go into the chorus. That is what I showcased for you in the introduction of this tutorial. We played C4, then F2, G1, F1, and C2. Let's do that together. 2, G, F, and C2. That's the chorus, and then next round here, again from the second verse, pre-chorus, and second chorus, it's just repetition, same chords, same amount of times, everything is the same, and that's it. So after that comes the bridge part at 1 minute and 40 seconds in. Now comes that A minor I talked about. You're gonna play A minor 1, C1. And then again, A minor 1, C1. So 2 times of that, and then you're gonna finish off with F3. I think you understand what's going on. Let's do one round of A minor 1 and C1. It goes like this. Twice of that, and then F3, and that is the bridge part. Then you're gonna turn into the final chorus, and you're gonna play that in the same way as you played the previous courses. Only difference there is you're gonna play it for 2 rounds. Twice as long as the other ones. And that's how Shania Twain ends her song, Dirty Rosie. Dirty Rosie, why are you dirty? I don't know. Maybe Shania knows. And that's it, guys. So thank you for watching. Hope that was helpful. Only 4 chords. That is sometimes the only thing you need. A couple chords, simple strumming pattern. That's it. So thank you for watching, guys. See you soon. Play tuned.